Put it in the yeah. Wait, why you should have opened up the Mentos first. Yeah, open up the Mentos. All right, guys, you already know what we're finna do. Break it in half. Boom. That I shook it up. He dropped the soda, so hopefully it works correctly. 1, 2. You only put 1. You meant to put 2. You tried to put 2, but it didn't work. That's all. That's it. Dope. How about look? Let's try this. Put the top back on it and shake it up.
Okay.
Put another one in there. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Put this one. Go. Hurry, why it's fizzing? It didn't work.
See that?
All that. Yeah, you eat it. What it tastes like?
I didn't get it. I'm talking about. How about one?
You gonna put some more in here? I thought it was gonna make a way bigger mess than it did. I had the towel right here so it don't come over.
You put all that in.
You gonna put all of them back in there?
Yeah. And you put all that in there. Guys.
I'm not doing nothing. Why it only happens on that one initial?
And then I want to, and then say put all that blue.
You gonna put it in and shake it? All right. Shake,
Yeah.
Shake it up a lot. Shake it 10 times.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going. Oh, it wasn't closed?
Yeah. See?
Oh.
That's what you do now. Oh man, they did nothing.
It didn't do nothing. What it taste like? It's flat.
Soda.
It's strong or flat? Look at all those Mentos. Are you serious?
What?
He poured the whole soda out with the Mentos, and now he want to put them back in. What you gonna do now?
Let's shake it.
Shake it?
Mm-hmm. Let me give me a bigger booty.
Oh, that stuff stink.
How?
Smell like cleaning solution. Smell like cleaning products.
Okay.
What it tastes like?
It's like gum.
Gum?
Mm-hmm. But different gum. My baby.
Ugh, they all like, I hate that feeling when they be touching each other and like.
I didn't put it on you.
But what's they touching each other. It make my whole body like shake. It's freaking me out.
I do it.
Ah! It makes my whole body.
No, that one.
Oh, I don't like the texture of these at all after they've been in that soda. Oh, I'm gonna do it.
Damn.
Look.
Not damn.
I don't know why I'm like that. It's just so weird. I hate touching it.
So.